Welcome back to day 16 of my 24 Days of Christmas video series. I will give away 3 big stamp sets from Rubber Dance. The winner will be drawn randomly from the video that has the most comments. So for a chance to win, make sure to leave a comment on each video of the 24 Days of Christmas series. I have already prepared the playing card with a layer of gesso, and now I'm adding some collage elements. I was not happy with the background so far, so I decided to add a little bit of a leftover paper. I'm blending the background with a thin layer of gesso. I use a pencil to add some scribbles to the background. The flower that I'm using is a little sneak peek on the upcoming release of Rubber Dance. I color it in with the Inktense pencil. My background is dry, so I use a little bit of background stamping to create more texture. I'm using stamps from Rubber Dance. I want to get a touch of color on the background, so I'm using watercolor pencils to add a little bit of color. I added a piece of old book page and also some washi tape to the card. After I've glued down the flower, I distress the edges with a black gelato. To finish my card up, I spell the word love with some wooden letters. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment for a chance to win the 3 stamp sets from Rubber Dance. I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye!